evening. You're watching India Today. I'm Akshata Anantagopal, and over the next 30 minutes, we're focusing on the Hubli stabbing horror. And let's cut across to breaking news that's coming in as BJP chief JP Nadda has met with victim Neha Hiremath's family members in Hubli. And JP Nadda, speaking soon after, has sought a CBI probe, a CBI investigation into the murder of Neha. Nadda meeting with the family was seen consoling the parents and also saying that he was heartbroken learning about this incident. He's also accused the Karnataka Chief Minister of diluting the investigation, referring particularly to the statement made by Siddaramaiah that this isn't a case of love jihad. JP Nadda, the BJP chief, meeting with the father and mother of the victim, has said that the family has no faith in the Karnataka police. And remember that the victim's father here is a Congress corporator. The BJP chief has met with the father, the Congress corporator, and has said that the family wants a CBI investigation. He's accused the Congress of indulging in appeasement politics. Let's also get you, as we play out for you, JP Nadda's first statement. We'll also get you Siddaramaiah's reaction to this.
जो माताजी ने जिस तरीके से घटना का वर्णन किया है, यह दिल दहला देने वाली घटना है। मुझे जो वक्तव्य मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया जी का सुनने को मिला और जो वक्तव्य मुझे गृह मंत्री जी परमेश्वरम जी का मिला, वह अत्यंत ही आपत्तिजनक है। उसकी भी जितनी निंदा की जाए वह कम है। यह वक्तव्य तुष्टीकरण से ओतप्रोत होकर एक तरीके से तुष्टीकरण की प्रकाष्ठा है।
Issues should not be, political parties should not take advantage of this issue. See, political BJP is known for it. They are taking the issues as political issue.
Let me bring in Anaga Keshav on this broadcast. She's joining us live from Hubli, from outside the victim's residence, where JP Nadda has just met with the family members. Anaga, get us the latest updates. JP Nadda now saying that the case should be ideally handed over to the CBI. Is that a sentiment that the family also is now putting out?
Well, yes, Akshita, the father, he made it amply clear to JP Nadda personally when he was there at their residence, stating that they don't have any faith in the state police system and that they wanted the case to be handed over to CBI to further investigate the matter. You know, when we asked him a question on whether JP Nadda also thinks that this was a case of love jihad, he stated, you know, he just blamed the state government, stating that, you know, the Congress government in Karnataka is deliberately appeasing the accused because of a certain community that they belong to, and that is their vote bank. That's what's happening in Hubli with respect to politics that has now erupted. JP Nadda, the BJP's chief, visited the victim's house, spoke to both the parents. Just before his visit, BJP's Karnataka election in charge, Radha Mohandas Agarwal, was also there. So, you know, Akshita, at this point, you know, because there is elections just coming up in a matter of 4-5 days, the entire BJP unit cell is here, right from the state leadership to the national leadership. Everybody were here to console the parents.
Us through also, Anaga, quickly how the Congress has chosen to deal with the political firing in this particular case. Because here, these pictures of the BJP chief JP Nadda meeting with the victim's family here, the girl's father, who's seen holding Nadda's hand, is actually a Congress corporator. And he himself has said that this is a case of love jihad, something that Siddaramaiah now is countering.
Well, Akshita, despite the fact that the father comes from Congress party, he has flatly condemned Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Parameshwar, the Home Minister's statement, stating that it was very wrong of them to assume or to even say in front of the media that this is something that happened personally between the boy and the girl. This is not, this isn't a personal matter. This is something much more than that. And the father also went on to add that, there was no romantic relationship per se between the boy and the girl. That, there was only friendship. And he said that the boy was behind the girl for several months, and one fine day when he lost control, he went and stabbed her multiple times. That was what the father said, condemning what the sitting Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Home Minister said. However, the government has stated that let the investigation process continue. Let's not make any assumptions based on, based on just the fact that the boy and the girl are from different communities. Let's wait for the investigation process to continue, and then let's talk about it, is what the Congress government is saying.
All right. Tomorrow, the BJP is going to be staging protests across Karnataka also on this issue. Thanks very much, Anaga, for getting us those updates.